what I've learned over this last year and just how important it is to me, and hopefully there's something in that you can resonate with, is that nothing is as complicated as we think it is. So I've spent a lot of time in this last year doing running. So I've started running. I've taken on my first marathon. I've taken on lots of solo running adventures where I try to, challenge what I previously believed, what I really believed was impossible. And I've taken those challenges and just broke it. Now, on my YouTube channel where I talk about and share my running experiences, you may often see me say that I don't do it in any sort of style. I don't win any races I participate in. I certainly don't cross the finish line in most cases without bruises, without battle scars. So I've learned to win for myself and break what I previously thought was impossible through taking the next step. I've built a product that really tries to encapsulate the 28 years of experience in data integration, system integration, reports, and analytics. And I've called this Automate Analytics. Now, for sure, this isn't for everyone. This is for companies, people that want to have more control and usage over system data. For example, if you run an online system that is System X and you run a back-end inventory system that is System Y, often getting those two data points to talk to each other is extremely difficult and extremely complex. If you want to create new reports in your business, you have to hire consultants like myself and the people that work in my company. You have to hire experts in your ERP system and get them to create reports for you. If you want to build a data warehouse project, I've seen data warehouse projects that cost in the multi-million rand and take between a year and 2 years to complete. Now, we're not building a house here. We're not building an actual warehouse where that timeline, would be justifiable. And we're building it off systems that have been there for a long time. Now, all of this sort of relates back to how I've spent this year just breaking these barriers of what I believe to be true, what I believe my capability to be true. I can't run a marathon. Challenge that. I can't run up this mountain. Challenge that. I can't run consistently for so long. Challenge that. And every single time I've broken that belief that whatever I believed can't, I then turned around and could. And that's why I'm creating this product. Because I see so many beliefs about systems and data just not be true. Like, why does it have to take a year to build a data warehouse? On a known ERP system that's been around for years, why do we need to take a year? Surely that could just be a day. Couldn't we just switch it on? And I'm yet to find something that will do that. So I'm creating it. I'm creating that in Automate Analytics. For all the systems I've worked on before, some of the more popular systems and some not so popular. For all the companies and clients that I've worked at have their own custom system, I'm creating Automate Analytics, a data warehouse data integration platform that connects, pulls your data, and has a fully function analytical capability within days. No more paying for consulting fees. No more paying for ridiculous project meetings after meeting that just don't seem to yield any results. talking about the taxonomy of the project instead of actually delivering the project. And that's what I'm trying to do. Now, there are probably going to be many people that disagree with me, that say it's not possible. But I've created a living for 17 years doing exactly that. Building data integrations, building system integrations for a wide variety of customers. For everyone that has said it's impossible, we've gone in and we've done it. And I want to give that service. I want to give that product to you and show you that it can be done. Now, I'm hoping that somewhere you'll be curious and you'd want to know more. And for that, if you head over to the website, automateanalytics.co.za, and just put in your email, I'll then send you all the information that I have about the system. Now, it's new, so that means there's no bells and whistles. That also means there's a lot of goodwill that I will be transferring to those first customers that take up this offer, that join and that want to know and want to be part of breaking your preconceptions, where you probably thought like, come on, it cannot be this difficult, it cannot be this expensive to build a data warehouse. And I want to show you just how we're going to break down those things. I'm just going to show you just how we can actually have you up and running within days. Take Odoo, for example, a new-ish ERP system. It's not that new, but making a lot of waves. It's one of the ERPs that I really, really like. Connecting that within a day, have a fully functional data warehouse. Connecting that with other systems, like if you use MailerLite, for example, for email campaigns, and you want to join some of your campaign information to what you're doing in Odoo, or if you have maybe, for some reason, you have older systems where data is still living and you actually can't create one view of your business from the system that was old and maybe now you're on a new system. That's what we're here to do. That's what Automate Analytics is all about. It is taking these preconceived ideas and just breaking them down and showing you just how simple it can be. So again, if you're curious, this is early release. There's no bells and whistles. This just gets it done. If you're about getting it done and getting control of your data and your analytics, and you want to build on that, automateanalytics.co.za. I can't wait to meet you and see how we can help you solve those problems. All right. My name's Richard. Thank you for taking the time to break those barriers.